This is me, Rose. This is me, Brianna. And we are cousins. Guys, follow niyo ako sa TikTok, guys. Oh, ang pangalan niya, Brianna. Ito, guys. Bago pa lang ako kasi naban ako. Oh, tapos ako, guys, mag-subscribe din kayo, guys. Please, subscribe dito, guys. Please. And alam niyo na, follow niyo rin ako. Ito yung pangalan niya, guys. Oh, yan na. Mag-start na tayo, guys. Ito na yung challenge natin, guys. Kapag nag-Bisaya tayo, guys. Bisaya man jud mi, guys. Kami duha. You can ask the flowers. Bisaya man gyud mi duha, guys. Wala ang mag-Bisaya, guys. You cannot the flowers. Ganon. Kasi wala kami makeup eh. Yung ano dapat alam niyo yung contour, ni contour. Yan mo dito sa mukha mo baka pag magkakamali ka. I-play. Yan na. Bawal ng Bisaya. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mini vlog lang to, guys. Okay, go. Ngayon, guys, kakain tayo ng salad. Kita ko dito. Tingnan nyo kung anong ginawa. And ayun, guys. Guys, nagtitiktok pa ako, guys. Wala, balik ko na. Hello! Nagbisaya! Aray ko. Ito ang gamitin mo, day. Hinayaro. Ay, sarap. And ito yung ginagamit namin, guys. And nagamit na namin to. Kasi sige ako. And please, guys, guys, nakakatawa talaga ito, guys. Panoorin niyo na lang sa TikTok. Sa TikTok niya, guys. Para akong baby kumatawa. Tumatawa daw, guys. Tumatawa. Tumatawa. Uy, tanawa. Usay sa Bisaya sa kaling katawa. Ay, oh. Buing katawa. Nya. Sorry, nagbisaya. Natatawa. Play na. Ay, wala! Please, kasi kalimutan yun, guys, ha. And dito na magtatapos ang vlog. Binibig lang kasi. Bye-bye, guys. Share nyo na rin, please. Bye.
So she started
Bye ka
recording
na sa
with
kanila.
She couldn't stop crying after feeling something moving inside her eyes. So she started recording without realizing she was about to capture something terrifying. Because when she looked closer, she saw a worm. And instead of staying calm, she panicked, trying to pull it out herself. Would you stay calm if this happened to you? She couldn't stop crying after feeling something moving inside her eyes. So she started recording without realizing she was about to capture something terrifying. Because when she looked
Pwede mo yan sa